Welcome to my channel. You are watching Casual Gardening and Cooking. In today's video I'm going to talk you through some tips I've got for you where it comes to sowing and growing your seedlings. The best practices, the practices that I've been using for a few seasons now that really do work and give me very good results. So let's get started from the beginning. First of all, choose the right vegetables for your conditions. Some of the vegetables will only grow in a greenhouse, others may go outdoors. Some of them will require sowing indoors as they will require higher temperatures and longer time to produce seedlings. So make sure you read the description at the back of the seed packets carefully. Next, if you are sowing indoors, make sure that you've got the right containers. I'm always using these seedling trays. They do have holes in them to allow the excess water to escape. Too much water in the mix is definitely not good. So make sure whatever container you're going to be using, it does have holes and it will allow the water to escape. I would definitely not suggest using soil from your garden, as that could actually have some diseases in it or some parasites that could destroy your seedlings. To enrich the soil, I'm adding perlite. Perlite will keep the moisture levels at bay. Will have enough, but not too much, just perfect for your seeds to germinate. If you are planning to use seedling trays like I am, make sure that the vegetables you'll be sowing in them, they will all have more or less the same germination time. It's just the best practice and later on it will save you a lot of hassle. When you finish sowing your vegetables and until they germinate, try to use a sprayer like I am. It will produce a light mist that will water the seeds correctly and it won't cause the seeds to move, as the stream of water is just not very harsh, it's just subtle, and that's what we are after. However, when your plants grow a little bit and they do get the first true leaves, it's best to stop using the sprayer and actually pour the water inside of the tray, let it soak in for about 20 minutes and then remove the excess water that's left. I find that these little greenhouses that you can buy even in Lidl, Aldi or any major supermarket, they're actually quite good. Usually they do have 3 to 4 shelves, which is absolutely perfect. And when I do await the germination, I actually can log them up to create the optimal conditions inside of them. So the air inside will be moist and I will have enough warmth for the seeds to germinate a lot quicker. After the vegetables germinate, I make sure that the cover is off. I allow the airflow inside of this little greenhouse, and then the design of these is absolutely perfect to mount extra light, especially in Feb, March and even in April. The amount of light that the seedlings need is far bigger than the sun can actually supply. Hence, the grow lights, definitely a big helper to have nice and healthy seedlings. After the seedlings germinate, make sure to thin them out, as you do want to have 1 or 2 plants per square. Now these are the first tips I wanted to share with you, from starting your vegetables from the seed itself to germination and looking after your seedlings. But I will have a lot more tips for you in the coming weeks as the plants will grow and develop and it will be the time for the next stage. So make sure to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any of that. And if you enjoyed today's video, drop me that like button down below. Also, I do have 2 really cool playlists for you just over here. Click on those and maybe you'll find your next video to watch. Hopefully, I'll see you on one of my videos there. Take care and have a fantastic day.